Hey there, tech heroes. I'm Iron Man, and today, I'm letting you into my secret, how my rainbow reactor changes colors, like magic. Let's power up the rainbow, with a little coding, and a lot of hero energy. Step 1, power up my light ports. Pin mode, 5, output. With this line of code, red blaster is ready to shine. Step 2, green beam online. Pin mode, 6, output. With this code, green laser prepped and loaded. Step 3, blue booster standing by. Pin mode, 9, output. With this code, blue energy module activated. Now, let's cycle the colors, just like my arc reactor does. Step 4, fire the red beam. Digital right, 5, high. Digital right, 6, low. Digital right, 9, low. With this code, Iron Man's red light will be on, like Iron Man's repulsor blast. Step 5, hold steady. Delay, 1000. With this, everyone will see Iron Man's red glow for 1 second. Step 6, switch to green glow. Digital right, 5, low. Digital right, 6, high. Digital right, 9, low. With this code, green mode will be activated, like the energy core stabilizing. Step 7, pause and shine. Delay, 1000. With this code, Iron Man will show off that green power for 1 second. Step 8, engage the blue pulse. Digital right, 5, low. Digital right, 6, low. Digital right, 9, high. With this code, you will see Iron Man's blue reactor glow on full blast. Step 9, glow time for blue color. Delay, 1000. With this code, Iron Man will hold that blue beam for another 1 second. Step 10, repeat the color cycle. Now, put it all inside a loop. Now, Iron Man's arc reactor will keep glowing with red, green, blue colors forever in loop cycle. Mission complete, heroes. You just built a real rainbow reactor. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and remember, even superheroes start with a single wire.